Yo, one leg standing calf raises, eccentric-isometric tempo, 3 to 4 seconds down, and a pause in both the squeeze position at the top and the stretch position at the bottom. You want to start with body weight on this one. We're going 90 seconds each leg, start weak side, immediately switching. And I actually like to use the sand dune stepper for this, and I'll go barefoot, and it really helps strengthen the feet, the toes, the ankles, and I get a massive stretch at the bottom. But you can use any low box or step, even a phone book, encyclopedia, slant board. You could also use the edge of the bench that we've shown before for the calf raises, the benches over there now. She's pointing at the dead space.
Well, your fingers just pointing everywhere.
So we're here, locked in. I'm just with the bodyweight version first. So I get down here, big stretch. Again, abs crunched, glute tight, thigh tense, only motion through the ankle. Our hips aren't swaying back. So I'm here, and again, it's kind of also, it is like a single leg balance hold in a side plank in a standing position. So stay tight and stable, no twisting or turning. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4. And right here is where you really want to hold for 1 or 2. Big stretch in the bottom. The biggest key to gains in the calves is the stretch, beyond the fact you get massive gains in mobility at the ankle, which takes pressure off the knees. If you ever have to rest during the set, don't stop. Rest in the stretch position. Intra-set stretching is one of my favorite ways to really get mobility through the ankle and gains in the calves. So we'll do both sides. If you're gonna do it weighted, and you can easily do that tempo with your body weight for 90 seconds on both sides, you hold the dumbbell in the same side as the work leg, and you get a little standing plank emphasis, control down without losing the tempo. Squeeze, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Repeat that pattern. Standing calf raises.